Yan, so what's up mga farmers? Welcome back to my channel, Search the Farmer, ang guro magsasaka ng Sibungas, Cebu, Philippines. And if you're new to this channel mga farmers, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell in order for you to be notified with my coming videos. Thank you and enjoy this vlog. Okay, so for today's vlog, I am going to share with you the things that is needed in order to start this layer poultry business. Okay, so I hope you will be with me today. This episode is very important, so please watch this video. But before anything else, shout out to all our supporters and subscribers all throughout Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and also some part of the world, and to our OFWs who are working abroad for their family. So take care always as you work abroad. Okay, so for today's episode mga ka-farmers is that I am going to share with you how to start this business. And there are 4 requirements that you need to prepare in order to start this layer poultry business. And we will start with number 1. So number 1 is that you are going to prepare the capital. Okay, the capital will depend on how many heads and what type of building you are going to prepare. Okay, so that is number 1, capital. Number 2 is that before you are going to start this business, you are going to have plenty of benchmarking on those personalities that has this type of business. You must ask necessary questions how to operate this kind of business with those people who are already handling this type of business, so that you will be equipped with enough knowledge before you are going to start operating this type of business. And number 3 is that you are going to believe, okay, you're going to believe in yourself that you can do this business whatever it takes. Okay, because believing ourselves is very important. If you do business and then you don't believe that you can do it, then of course it will fail. So that's why the third requirement is that you need to believe that you can do the business you wanted to start. And number 4, the most important thing is, if you have already equipped the capital, the knowledge from your benchmarking from the different poultry owners, and the third is you believe in yourself that you can do the operations of this business. The fourth one and the most important is that you believe also in God, that you are chosen to operate this kind of business, because this business is not for all, because not all of the people have an interest on this kind of business. So you believe in Jesus or in God that you are chosen to be a business owner of this kind of industry. Okay, so I think that's all for this vlog. Once again, this is Search the Farmer from Sibungas, Cebu, Philippines. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.